Wenly.com is marketed as an online shopping site offering trendy products, attractive discounts, and deals that seem almost too good to pass up. But the real question is Wenly.com even a real and trustworthy store, or could it be another risky online shopping website? Now, to be fair, not every unfamiliar online store is a scam. Many legitimate e-commerce businesses start small and may not yet have the recognition of larger retailers. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, Wenly.com appears similar to many modern online stores. The prices can be very appealing. Large discounts may attract shoppers looking for bargains, where the red flags start appearing. The store has limited brand recognition. This is one of the biggest concerns. Well-established retailers usually have a long history of customer feedback and reputation. Independent reviews may be difficult to find. A lack of verified customer experiences can make it hard to judge reliability. Product quality is hard to verify. Photos and descriptions do not guarantee that the delivered item will match expectations. So, is Wenly.com even real? Short answer: it appears to be a real website that accepts orders, but that alone does not guarantee a trustworthy shopping experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.